Seat Tarraco has a long list of safety equipment, but not all of it comes as standard. Seat's reputation as a quality manufacturer isn't set in stone, but encouraging owner feedback demonstrates that it has its fair share of satisfied customers. Its latest models are packed with technology too, much of which is designed to keep you safe in a crash or lessen the chances of one happening in the first place. Seat claims that the Tarraco will be a class leader for safety technology, and there's a long list of crash mitigation features available. Autonomous emergency braking joins lane keeping assist and automatic emergency call as standard equipment across the range. Top Excellence models also get adaptive cruise control. Additional technology include blind spot detection, traffic sign recognition, and automatic headlamp main beam. The Tarraco also debuted Seat's pre-crash assist system. This is claimed to react in 0.2 of a second to prepare occupants for an impact. Tightening seatbelts, closing windows and the sunroof, and activating the hazard warning light to increase safety during and after a crash. There's a new rollover assist system too, which will automatically turn the engine off, make an emergency call, unlock the doors, and activate the hazard lights if the car should roll over.